Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set up product variants and option in Shopify. So first of all, open your app and go to the products. Click any product and click the add options. Okay. So if you have these products in other sizes, other colors and other materials, or if you have lot of style of this product, so add anything you want. So I have like this shoes in 43 size, so it is added. I have this shoes in 42 size, so I added. Okay. So here it is, click the tick icon and it is just added. Okay, the product is saved. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials. Take care.